The lung was wheezing. Let me see if it's still wheezing. Yeah, we can stop wheezing. Just breathing hard now. It's almost time for her breathing too, anyway. Let's see what time is it. Alright, well, let's just give her the breathing now. Yes. Because it's wheezing earlier, and now she's breathing a little bit harder. Okay. Okay, honey.